Hey there, Tana with WTI, and this is a thing you did not know you needed until now. Hey Ziggy, good night.
Okay.
Voice activation is just one of the many benefits that you get with these Yoolax motorized natural bamboo blinds. They are so beautiful, and you can say goodbye to tangled cords and awkward adjustments. They offer the perfect blend of elegance and convenience, and the voice control lets you customize your atmosphere hands free. It comes with everything you need to install these in the blink of an eye. I also really love that this comes with a few different charging options. You can have the solar charger that plugs right in, so you never have to think about charging the battery. Or you have these very long, convenient cords, and they are just so beautiful, adding such a warm touch to any space. The two different remotes make adjusting so easy. And these are custom fit to your windows when you order them. So there is nothing you have to do other than install and enjoy.
If you want blinds that aren't just custom fitted and absolutely beautiful, but also smart home adaptable, then you are going to absolutely love having these in your house. I highly recommend getting them, and that's my point of view.